Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the first week update from my Wealthsimple Creator Challenge. If you're new to the channel and following along, I have a small YouTube channel, not this one, but what I'm trying to do is to try and grow the YouTube revenue that I make from that channel in a Wealthsimple portfolio to $100,000. So thanks for following along. We started last week. We did the first deposited about $841. If you want to see that video with the stocks that I invested in to start with and how that kind of process works, I do have another video on the channel. So go check out the past videos if you're new to the channel. We're doing the first update today. It's only been a week. We've invested in a few stocks. Obviously, not a lot is going to happen in a week a lot of times, but let's just give an update. People have asked me what the stocks are doing. I've been following along, it's something you don't want to check every day because you'll go crazy, but let's do a weekly check-in and we'll show you how they are performing, and what we'll do is show you that right now. All right, so we've got them in my TFSA. In the top, Wealthsimple, it's so simple. There is a app you can get for your phone as well, but this is the web browser app. So in my TFSA right now, my balance is $841.39. So I am actually up in a week 12 cents. So we're up a little bit of money. There we go. That's not bad. So just an update on how the stocks have done here. So we bought a 5 to start with. We bought Cineplex. This one's down a little bit. As you can see, it's just actually fluctuating right now. We're down $2.60. Not a big deal on that one. The next one is Greenlane Renewables. This is a renewable natural gas industry company. And this one's kind of interesting. This is kind of our growth, a little bit of our growth play on this one. So it is down, unfortunately, 6.23% all time, but that's okay. We're only down $1.72, and this was kind of a bit more risky one. As you can see, we didn't put a lot of money into this to start. We're going to start to build this up as we go. And then we have the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, REI.UN. This one's doing pretty good, actually. We're up in the week, we're up $6.20, so that's 3.16%. That's okay. We're gonna start seeing some dividends from this company as well, so that's always good as well. And then the next one we have is TransAlta Renewables. This is a renewable energy company in Alberta, and this one's down again. This one's been kind of like this all week. It always seems to hover around the $20.50 range. But this one, we'll see some dividends from this one as well. I think they have a dividend date coming up at the end of this month. So we'll see some dividends for all of our shares there. And the last one up as well is the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield ETF. That's up 90 cents. This one's a dividend stock as well. So we will start to see some dividends rolling in very shortly. So that is the update for that. That's the 1 week. You can see here the day will fluctuate. We can go through, it'll tell you we're actually up a little bit today, so that'll good. But if we go through, we're not gonna see much here for the month because not much has happened yet, but this will start to change and hopefully increase as we start to build the portfolios. All right, thanks for watching. Like I said, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, following along. We're gonna be building up this portfolio. What I'm going to be doing so we can kind of average out the costs of these stocks as we buy is every couple weeks, what we'll do is I'll do a check-in on my YouTube channel revenue to see what is going to be coming in, and we'll kind of roll that in a little bit early into the stock. So if we see any opportunities if prices are maybe down a little bit, or if there's a new stock to see a bit of an opportunity to buy, I will do there's an instant transfer available with Wealthsimple. We can do every 3 business days for $250. So we'll reconcile everything at the end of the month. But if I see something, what we'll do is we'll do an instant deposit to be able to buy in on a little bit of money, and then we'll just take that off of what we transfer in at the end of each month from the YouTube revenues. That'll help us build our portfolio and take some advantage if we see everything's hopefully rising as we go. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining my challenge. We are at $841.39 right now. We still have a long way to go to $100,000. So join along, follow along, subscribe if you're not already. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you next week.